Crude oil has been seen trading in a narrow trading zone. We have seen it getting support from the higher lows from yesterday at 78.6, and it is trying to bounce back on the upside. As we have discussed, 79.2 was the only level for us to take a buying entry. It has beautifully respected the resistance. Net gas on the other side is still in the no trade zone, staying between 2.1 levels, 2.12 levels. So what to expect now from oil and natural gas with the US session? How to profit with the data, how to trade the oil and gas, and what is going to be our strategy today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. First update I always release with the Asia and Europe session, and this is the only channel in the world to give you twice a updates and targets for oil and gas. Thus subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and yes, before leaving the video, friends, press the like button, do share it across, do comment. Always have been a great motivation for me to deliver consistently to the best of my abilities. Also, join the YouTube channel memberships here and support them. Now see, oil on the hourly charts has been seen creating lower highs, lower lows. If you see it is staying above 79.2, that is a point of time when you see the lower prices above 79.2, you can initiate a buying entry. Wait for 79.6, 79.8 zone to be taken, and if it stays above 79.8, we can say that there could be a reversal which can take the prices towards 80.5 or in fact 81 levels, which are going to remain the next resistance levels. Stochastic is bullish here, MACD is retracing, RSI is flat. Coming to 2-hour charts, similar observation on the 2-hour charts as well. Right now I can see it consolidating between the zone, and thus a breakout is what you should wait for. After this bullish candle, it is traded sideways, and a breakout is going to be stronger here. Stochastic is rising. See, MACD has crossed over here at the bottom. It is looking upwards. It is trading with bullish bias, and I expect it to continue with this for a little while from now, which means a little bullishness can be observed here. RSI is rising, again signs of bullishness. Coming to 3 hour, see oil on the 3-hour charts also, it is trading with divergence from the 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 79.6, and this complete zone between 79.4 to 79.8, you have to trail with 20 cents trailing stop loss as long as 79.8 is not taken today. So yes, you can buy at 79.2, but it is going to be with caution. And yes, if you see it is staying above 79.8, stay bullish, we can look forward to 80.5 levels as well. Stochastic is rising, MACD crossed over here at the bottom, looking upwards, trading bullish, it can continue to do so. RSI is staying flat, and it has just come out of the overbought zone, oversold zone. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour charts as well, see consolidation going on here. Wait for a breakout. See, we have to wait for it to move beyond 79.2 levels, 79.4, 79.6 and 79.8, beyond which I will be looking forward to 80.5 levels as the next targets, which are definitely achievable level. But right now, if you observe this, it is trading in this bearish channel here, and there's a drop, any drop below this zone here at 78.8, you can take a sell entry, but wait for 78.6, 78.4 and 78.2. And then below 78.2, this time we will be looking forward to 77.8 levels. Yes, it can yield similar bearish candles here if it breaks on the downside. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over here at the bottom, suggestive that there could be a bullish breakout which you should be watchful of. RSI coming out of the oversold, just trading flat near to bottom. Coming to daily, and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting next Monday. Register yourself now, reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. We are trading as per the signals also, you can benefit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description again. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments including crude oil, net gas and all metals, commodities, indices, crypto as well, with safely, securely, and yes, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description, where joining through the link you will get the lowest spreads and you can save much of your capital and fees you are paying to your broker. Now coming to the daily charts, see on the daily charts you should look at the preceding few candles, last 5 to 6 candle. Here it was increasing bearishness, and with the last candle it has shown that it is not in a mood to drop, and now it is trying to consolidate. So either this could be a reversal confirmation, or this could be a confirmation that it could try to trade sideways before taking a direction. What I will be looking forward to is a retracement from here. Now a retracement from from here means a little rise. Right now it is consolidating its position, and also you can find out, see, it is forming nice head and shoulders here on the daily charts. So a possible recovery from the current levels can be expected. If it stays above 79.2, stay bullish, you can look forward to a rise. First target should be towards 79.6, 79.8 zone, and then if it continues to rise from there, we can look forward to 80.5 and in fact 81 levels. The stochastic extremely oversold, MACD bearish, and RSI at bottom. So looking at this, it appears that there should be a rise, if not today, possibly soon. In the coming week it can try to retrace, and as you know that on the daily charts I have shared, a reversal confirmation now is above 84. So if it trades above 84 in the coming week, then definitely more bullishness. But right now it is on the path of recovery. Let's see if it continues to do so. A selling entry today is below 78.8. When you see the higher prices below 78.8, you can take a sell entry. Remember, these are markets. You have to see both the sides. If it drops below 78.8, go for selling it. Wait for 78.6, 78.4, 78.2. Put a 20 cents trailing stop loss as long as 78 levels is not taken. Below 78 is where the bears will take over. So in between 78 and 80, we have to put a 20 cents trailing stop loss above 79.2 and below 78.8. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. See, natural gas on the hourly charts, it has taken the support from the 20 period, but what I can see here is a double top levels at 2.1314 levels, and thus it is very important for it to break beyond 2.13 levels, which will confirm the reversal towards 2.1516 and then more bullishness. Yes, right now it is trading sideways here in between 2.1 and 2.13, so this should be a no trade zone for us. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD is also trading with slight bearishness. The RSI is rising. Coming to 2-hour chart, so RSI suggests your bullishness here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2-hour charts here, lower lows are formed and higher highs are formed. Just wait for it to break beyond 2.13 and 2.14 rather. Beyond this, you can look forward to 2.16, and breaking beyond 2.16 stay bullish. We can look forward to the next target at 2.1, or sorry, 2.2 levels. So yes, beyond 2.16 we can look forward to 2.2 levels, which is going to be our next target, and in fact breaking beyond 2.2 is where more bullishness is going to prevail here. Moving averages are looking upwards, certainly suggestive of bullishness. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green, that is bullishness. RSI is rising, again signs of bullishness. Coming to 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts here, see, after showing a reversal, you can see it is staying bullish. You can say symmetrical formation trying to take a rise. Just wait for it to break the double top levels here, and that is why I say you can buy when you see the lower prices at 2.13, but then 2.14, 2.18 and 2.2 are the next targets, which are going to be the next resistance level. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is bullish, divergent, looking upwards. And if you look at RSI, this is also bullish here. Coming to 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see, it is forming a double top, but double top also calls for it to reverse. And right now I can see it getting resistance here. So only buying entry, as I mentioned, is above 2.13 levels. When you see the higher prices above 2.13, you can buy, but then 2.1418 and then 2.2 are going to be three resistances here, which we should be watchful of. Also on the downside, if you see natural gas, when you see the higher prices below 2.1 and 2.08, these are the two levels is where support exists, below which you can look forward to 2.0506 levels. 2.05, which was the resistance earlier, is going to be the support here. Also, if you look at it, should not be the case that it forms a head and shoulders here and try to move downside. We have to be careful. If you look at stochastic, this is coming out of the overbought zone, while MACD is still bullish, it is looking upwards. RSI is bullish as well. Coming to daily chart, now see natural gas on the daily charts, we have to wait for this zone 2.13 and 2.14 zone to be taken, and then we can look forward to 2.18, the higher highs here. I have mentioned in my morning update as well. See, drop, and now it is looking upwards. Now see, if it gives a breakout, remember it is going to be a very stronger breakout. It has been trading in this channel. We have to wait for a breakout where nat gas is going to shoot towards 2.4, 2.5 levels in the near future. Again, we have to wait for it. Once it stays beyond 2.2, 2.24 levels, stay bullish in the coming week, in the month of May, and we are looking forward to a very strong rise. Mark my words. Next is right now, today again it is trying to look upwards. After taking the support, we have to wait for it to break beyond 2.1314 and then 2.18 levels. which will confirm the rise here. On the downside, a selling entry, as I said, is only below 2.1, where you can expect it to 2.08 first support, 2.0605 the next. Any drop below 2.05 is the confirmation of a reversal, else it is still not to be treated bearish. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the monthly review tomorrow, which is going to give you a fair direction such that you can take a positional call. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.